In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping on your Shopify store. Providing free shipping can be an excellent way to incentivize potential customers and encourage them to complete their purchases, helping boost your conversion rates. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily add this feature to your Shopify store. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll see various options on the sidebar. From here, you want to go into your store by clicking on My Store at the top left corner of the page. This will take you to the home page of your store within the Shopify admin. Now, turn your attention to the sidebar on the left and look for the Discounts tab. Clicking on this will direct you to the Discounts section of your Shopify admin. This area is where you can manage all the special deals and promotional offers you want to provide to your customers. Whether it's percentage discounts, dollar value discounts, or shipping deals, this section is entirely focused on offering savings. We're going to create a new discount, so look for a button labeled Create Discount. It should be somewhere on the screen, typically at the top. Give it a click and a new page will emerge, presenting you with various discount options. These can be tailored to meet your specific needs during promotions or as a standard offering. Now, since our goal today is to set up free shipping, select the free shipping option from the list. This choice will let you create a discount that removes shipping costs for your customer, which can be a significant selling point, especially for those on the fence about purchasing due to high shipping fees. Once you've selected free shipping, you'll be taken to a new setup page where you need to fill in the discount details. Here you can specify which countries or regions the free shipping applies to, ensuring it aligns with your shipping strategy. You might want to offer this globally or restrict it to specific areas. Make sure to define any minimum purchase requirements if desired, so the free shipping doesn't negatively impact your margins. These adjustments help maintain a balance between enticing customers and running a cost-effective business. After you've set and reviewed all the details to ensure they match your marketing objectives, go ahead and save the discount. Now, customers shopping at your store will see the free shipping option when they meet the conditions you've set, making their purchase decision just a little bit easier. And there you have it. You've successfully set up free shipping on your Shopify store. Remember, free shipping is a powerful tool when used strategically. Keep an eye on your conversion rates and make adjustments as needed to maximize its effectiveness during your promotional periods or as part of an ongoing strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!